Money isn't actually worth anything. Not the paper, not the coins, none of it. So why does it work? Because we all just agreed it does. That's it. That's the whole system. There's about $2 trillion in physical cash floating around the US right now. But get this, over 90% of all money in the world isn't physical at all. It's just numbers moving between banks, invisible. And it keeps growing. Since 1960, the US money supply has grown more than 60-fold. Not because we're richer, because the system just lets more get made. It didn't used to be this loose. Until 1971, the dollar was tied to actual gold. Then Nixon cut the cord. Overnight, money became a story, no metal required. In 1932, a small Austrian town called Wurgel was drowning in the Depression. So they made up their own currency, just to keep people working, and it saved the whole town. Turns out, money was never really about the paper. It was always about belief. Follow for more stories hiding in plain sight